right, John, what do we got here?
So today, Ant, we get the exciting new Adapt tankless water heater. We're going to unwrap it, and the reason for this
It's like
is
Christmas Day here at Wales Darby.
almost. The
it.
reason we're going to do this, there are several layers within this box, and yeah, please cut away. We've had some questions asked about it, so we're going to just take it on box one here in front of you, so you can see how it's packaged.
Up and over.
All right, it ships on its back. So we're going to slide the box off. Right away, when we slide the box off, in the top, we have our cable. We have a cable. This cable takes, and let's just take this top here.
Sure.
Let's see if we can lift this up. We're taped here. Need your knife to cut these.
Need a couple more.
Yeah, there's that one.
You good?
Can I get this one? All right, I got that one. You got your two?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so we're going to just pop this here.
Oh, very cool.
So this is the X3 cartridge that's going to go onto the bottom of the unit. When you buy the X version of the Adapt water heater, it comes standard with a relief valve. We also have our connection cable, a mounting kit, a propane kit,
Yeah, let me get that to show that off
and
right there.
a wall bracket. So all of this equipment is packaged here in the top. So if you lift this cover off and this goes with it, you may be throwing out a bunch of the equipment that you're going to need. Another item to think about here too as a cost saver is once you go to the X3 cartridge, you do not need to have a valve kit. This will get you 15 years, no waterside maintenance. So that's a big deal. You buy the X version, definitely the way to go, buying the X version. 3 screws hold it in place, and that's what you're going to need. So that's that layer.
Just a couple of things we mentioned, like just the features of this is your conversion to LP. 1 unit, both natural gas LP. It's kind of a cool thing to know. What do you want to do now?
We'll just lift this up and show them. The actual unit itself comes up and out. Spin it this way, Ant. See if it'll stay on that box. Probably gonna have to hold it a little bit.
Yep, I got it.
Right here off the bottom of the unit, 3/4 cold water inlet with the strainer screen. It comes with a bypass cartridge. You'll remove this cartridge. The X cartridge will go right there. Here's your gas inlet. Here's your hot water outlet. This is where your relief valve will mount. So that's the unboxing of an Adapt tankless water heater.
Pretty much that's it.
3 sizes, 160, 180, and 199. If you have any questions, please scan the QR code at the end. We do have some live fire training pieces of Adapt. So we'd be happy to come out and show you the Adapt water heater.